METTLER Toledo is proud to be working in partnership with Kraft Heinz to develop leading-edge technology. This technology will provide complete traceability of all critical ingredients that are used to formulate the unique flavours we enjoy on a daily basis. METTLER Toledo are supporting Kraft Heinz' vision to be the best food company growing a better world. METTLER Toledo and Kraft Heinz share the same passion for continuous improvements, innovation, unwavering commitment to quality and integrity, and putting the consumer first. METTLER Toledo's innovative recipe management system software will enable our customers to eliminate or minimise wasteful errors. The simple-to-use software is working alongside the operators on a real-time basis, giving complete traceability throughout the entire production process.
At Kraft Heinz, we've got a quality management system that we call QRMP. The golden rules are a subset of that management system. It's a list of mandates, a list of must-haves for us to make good, wholesome, safe food. Golden rule number 23 refers to dispensing practices and the importance of weighing out the right amount of the right ingredient and adding it to the right vessel, which is pretty fundamental for the food industry. Probably the biggest cause of recall is undeclared allergens. You make a product and by mistake, either through cross-contamination or by adding the wrong thing, you end up with an undeclared allergen present. And now with the recipe management system, it's about making sure that we avoid any allergen issues or any misdispensing issues by electronically checking what we're adding, checking the amount, making sure that we don't make errors.
So allergen control is really important to Kraft Heinz because there's so many allergens that people are allergic to. We handle a lot of those different ingredients at the Pomona site, so it's important for us to know that when we're handling those ingredients that there's no cross-contamination that could result in someone having an allergic reaction to something that's not declared on the label.
It also helps in terms of when we have quality audits, that we have that traceability there, that we can prove that essentially what the quality standard or the recipe that we hold ourselves to is what we've actually achieved. RMS being an innovative system allows us to help manage the complex processes that we have.
Having the right people from the IT perspective, the site ownership is very important. You really need someone on site that owns that becomes the champion for that system to help that roll out. It is really good to put in the base system first in the weighing area and get that embedded and then expand it from there. The people literally weighing the ingredients, it has to be user-friendly for them. Everybody loves the idea that it gets rid of the paperwork, right? So they no longer need a pen and paper in their work area.
We could get rid of the paperwork and the computer will tell us exactly what we need to do. RMS does give us peace of mind. We find RMS faultless.
I guess the end result would be ensuring that the product that we send to the consumers is safe to eat.
Implementing the recipe management system is easy. A METTLER Toledo technician can train an operator to use the system in just 30 minutes.